Katrina here from Katrina and Clayton, building a food forest in Scotland. Today we're going to have a look at our ground cover that we use in our food forest, and it's actually strawberries. So all this greenery here you can see on the floor, that's all strawberries. So let's have a look, shall we?
As we develop the food forest area and keep filling it more and more each year, we do need to keep it under control too. We're using the strawberries as a ground cover to help us do that. The plants only need to be planted at a very shallow level as they have really shallow roots, and it helps prevent rotting. The purpose of the ground cover is to prevent the weeds, protect the soil from the elements and erosions, and just rather than leaving bare soil. Last year we planted around 40 strawberry crowns across the area, and then around 30 wild strawberries will be given by a neighbour to fill in the spaces. And you can see after a little while, I think this was a few months, they started to spread very easily. And you can see the difference in the plants due to their size and their leaves and their fruit. But actually, the wild ones have been a lot better at doing this job, and they also don't flop over from the weight of the strawberries because they're a lot smaller, so they do stand up a lot straighter. The wild strawberries, woodland strawberries, alpine strawberries they're sometimes called, are a really nice ground covering plant. They have these really long runners and it spreads really quickly and low to the ground. So this is after a year of what you saw us planting. So it has really filled out. We've got a full carpet in this one section of ground cover. They have these white flowers that appear from April to July, and then the fruits follow afterwards. The wild strawberries are a lot smaller fruits. They are often about the size of peas, and we're using this as our main way of protecting our ground around our fruit trees and our fruit bushes and our herbs that we've planted in this area. So we're not really that worried if the birds come in and eat them, because they're also in there eating the worms and eating the slugs and doing all the things they should be in that area. So we're not too concerned that they're eating these strawberries. They are shade tolerant. They grow extra low to the ground, and they really fill that role of quick growing ground cover in this area. They'll weave around any of our taller plants or our elements, and they really don't cause us any problem at all, apart from doing their job, which is suppressing the weeds for us and helping to protect that soil. This area is so busy with all sorts of nature.